Hello, Chillie. I'm late for work. Yes, I knew this day would come. Hey, Chillie, bye. I'm getting really late.
Chillie's handle broke, and his heart felt heavy. Chillie thought, maybe he will be replaced. He kept walking alone on the streets. Every new fridge reminded him that maybe there was no place left for him anymore.
Chillie, where are you? Have you seen my fridge, Chillie?
Jack searched everywhere. Chillie was sitting sadly near the swings.
Maybe I'm too old now.
Why did you leave home, Chillie?
I thought. You wanted to replace me with a new fridge.
No, Chillie. I bought a new handle for you.
Sometimes, even a small misunderstanding makes us doubt our worth. But love and value never truly fade. Chillie learned, even an old fridge can be precious if the bond is real. Friendship, loyalty, and trust can't be measured by appearances.